Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to select English on Duolingo application. First of all, open your Duolingo application if you have already downloaded it. If you have not, then go through your app store and then download it. Once you are on your application, you will see this page. Hit on the get started. Now again hit on the continue and hit on the continue again. Then here you will see an option to select the language. From here on the top you will see intermediate English. Hit on that and hit on the continue. Now it will take some time and they will ask you few questions and your course is ready to go. So in this easy step, you can easily select English on Duolingo application. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.